What if the person investigating a murder is forced to question everything they believe about justice? That's exactly what makes Dissection of a Murder by Joe Murray such a gripping audiobook. This isn't just another crime story filled with clues and suspects. It's a psychological mystery that slowly pulls you deeper with every chapter. As the investigation unfolds, hidden secrets, unexpected twists, and emotional conflicts make it impossible to stop listening. The real strength of this audiobook is how realistic it feels. Every character has something to hide, every conversation matters, and every new discovery changes what you think you know. Instead of relying on cheap surprises, the story builds suspense naturally, keeping you guessing until the very end. If you enjoy intelligent crime fiction, detective mysteries, and thrillers that make you think, this audiobook deserves a place on your listening list. Joe Murray creates an atmosphere where tension never fades, making every minute worth your time. The audiobook performance adds another level of excitement. Hearing the emotions, suspense, and dramatic moments through narration creates an experience that's even more immersive than simply reading the pages. Whether you're commuting, exercising, relaxing at home, or driving, this is the kind of audiobook that makes time disappear. You'll keep saying, "just one more chapter," until suddenly you've reached the ending. If you're looking for your next unforgettable mystery audiobook, don't miss Dissection of a Murder by Joe Murray. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and experience this thrilling mystery for yourself.